Welcome to another edition of Buffalo Outdoor Center's Cabin Cooking Series. I'm Rhonda Mills, your host, and today we're cooking at the Big Sky Cabin. We call it the Big Sky because it offers you the most beautiful view across the Ozark Mountains, and you and your family are going to love it. So let's go inside and take a look around this cabin that sleeps up to 12 guests. So here is our disappearing cheese ball, and the reason I call it that is when I serve this, it is gone like that. Now, what's beautiful about this is the basic recipe, but you can put your spin on this. So for example, say you like buffalo wings. You could do a splash of buffalo sauce in this and add maybe some blue cheese crumbles to it. You can just kind of vein it your way. Take some ranch salad dressing mix, put some of that in there. Or maybe you like Tex-Mex. Chop up some fresh jalapeno. Be sure you remove the seeds and put that into this. Serve it with corn chips. So again, this is a basic recipe, and it's up to you to decide what kind of flair you want to add to it. Okay, it is now time to make our cheese ball. This is so easy. All you're going to do is basically combine all of your ingredients except your nuts, and if you decided to use chopped parsley, set those aside, but just combine all of your ingredients. If you're using a hand mixer like this one, kind of a smaller one, I like to take it and beat my cream cheese up a little bit first, and then I gradually add my cheese and my other ingredients, and then blend them all together really well. So once you have everything really well blended, now you're going to divide the mixture in half, and you're going to put half of it in one of your wax-lined bowls. So do that with both halves of your mixture. And now you're just going to fold over those ears you've left yourself on top and cover the bowl lightly with some plastic wrap. Once you've done that, you're going to now put these in the refrigerator, and I'd let them be in there at least 4 hours. You want them good and solid before you roll them in your nuts. So leave them in there at least 4 hours, or you can even do it overnight. Okay, we are almost done. The next thing you'll do is take your chopped nuts, and if you've decided to use parsley, and spread those out on a piece of wax paper, on a cutting board, or just a smooth surface. And now go get your cheese balls out of the fridge, lift them carefully by those wax paper ears, and you're going to use that wax paper to help shape your cheese ball into a nice round ball. And then you'll take those and peel your wax paper off, roll your cheese balls around in your nuts, and just kind of use your hands to help press those nuts into the sides of your cheese ball. Some of them will stick well, and some of them are going to need a little encouragement. And now you're ready to slide those into a Ziploc bag, or maybe even just wrap them nicely in plastic wrap, put them back in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours, and then they're ready to serve. And just remember, before it's time to serve, you want to set them out for about 15 minutes so that they have a chance to soften up and your guests can easily slice them with a cheese knife.